Today we are living in the world of choices, but it is very difficult to find out which one is the best choice for you. So in this video, we're going to talk about why Biotechnica is the best choice for your CSIR preparation. Now, before I jump into the topic, let me talk about the recent 5 years, what really happened. A lot of coaching institutes started giving dummy lectures or so-called demo lectures on social media, YouTube especially. Many students thought that, okay, if I just go through those free lectures, gimmicky videos, I'll qualify. Well, the litmus test was last exam. Many students who failed came back to us and said that whatever Biotechnica was teaching in the Brahmastra series, those questions were similar to CSIR. Otherwise, whatever they could attend from all those free so-called dummy lectures was of no use. So that prompted me to make this video because I don't want you to waste your time. Remember, in life there are two costs. One is the cost you pay in rupees or dollars. Another is opportunity cost. So the more you delay in getting the right guidance, you are losing out on opportunity and competition is heating up every day. So new people are passing out and now you have to compete with more people next year for CSIR. The wisdom says wise people will do what I'm about to say. You will choose the best and leave out the rest. Now the question is, how Biotechnica is the best? To be very frank, Biotechnica started in the year of 2006. In fact, this YouTube channel also just recently completed 15 years. You can check it out. 2008, we created this YouTube channel. We have been diligently serving the biotech and life sciences community, and that is why we have the largest army of teachers. Now, normally, how many teachers you would get in any other coaching institutes? There'll be 2, 3, 5, maximum 6. But how many units are there in CSIR? 13. And plus part A, that's 14, right? But in Biotechnica, you get 15 teachers, including me. So you get part A coverage, you get all the 13 units, in-depth coverage, and you also get mentorship from me. So what really happens here is our comprehensive study resources, videos, and the curriculum which we have designed. Now, let's talk about the curriculum for a minute. Anywhere else, they just thought, okay, this is the exam, so we'll just go through the syllabus and teach you. Remember, any match can be won only through strategy. Anybody says, do hard work, you will win, is fooling you around. It is strategy which makes you qualify the exam. And that is what we have embedded into the curriculum. The way we will teach will be a sandwich model. Now, what exactly is a sandwich model? First, start with a revision of what we taught previous day. Then we ask you some questions. Then we teach the theory. And then again, we will ask you some part C questions based on what we taught today. So this kind of sandwich model is what we follow. So that means our students are better prepared. And every Monday, we conduct the test of whatever was taught in the previous week. Every month, we conduct our monthly test, checking the capability of our students, then conducting a mentoring session every Sunday, talking to you over face-to-face and telling you where you're lacking and how can we help you. That's where the curriculum is the razor-sharp Swiss knife we have got here. Now, moving forward, like I said, we have 15, big army of 15 experts. Now, all these experts have designed the study material. In fact, we have experts from Harvard. We have experts from various big universities joining us and they are training students for CSIR. Now, the benefit of this is you have the best study material available for CSIR. You go into the market, you check it out, whatever study material is available. It's not at par with the level of CSIR. CSIR is here, they are here. There's a huge gap. Biotechnica study material is here, at par with CSIR. What exactly makes our study material and our coaching unique is chat support. Normally, what happens? You have regular teachers coming into the classes, training you and going away. But at Biotechnica, our teachers are available 24/7. You know how and why? Well, we have the phones, right? So most of the time our teachers have the phone in their hand, and then the moment you ask a question, ping pong, the notification will come and we will immediately respond. So there is a 24/7 chat support available, right? So 15 of our teachers are available. If they are awake, if they are not sleeping, they are helping you. That's the kind of commitment we have. Last 18 years, we also developed a technology called as Rapid Advanced Intelligently Delivered Classes. That is called as RAID classes. Now, what exactly we are doing here? We are helping you read, analyze, intelligently design your curriculum, and then we design your PowerPoints in such a way that it acts as a short notes, and then we We discuss during the class, we make you practice, and coming to the practice part. You see, any other place, how many questions they'll give you in a test series? 500, 1000, 2000, maybe 5000, right? I can bet they cannot go beyond 5000 questions, right? But over a period of 1 year, you are going to practice 10,000 plus questions of just part C of CSIR Life Sciences in Biotechnica. You heard me right. Not 1000, not 5000. 10,000 questions. That's the power of Biotechnica. Our experts have designed part C question, not 1 or 2, 10,000 questions. And it is the most comprehensive part C question bank which is available with Biotechnica. And all of this, the study material, the test series, the online study portal, the app access, everything is included in our coaching services. If you are enrolling in Biotechnica, you are getting the cherry on the cake, and that's me. You will get your success coach on WhatsApp. So you will have my WhatsApp number. You can directly chat with me. You can talk to me. You can feel if you're facing any problem with the strategy part, I will guide you. I'll personally guide you. If you are a student of Biotechnica, you will have 24/7 access to me as well. At the same time, we have a flexible learning environment. So of course, you are studying in the evening. All our classes will happen only in the evening. We do have a morning batch for those who have night shift jobs. Can take up the morning batch. Also, we have the evening batch. So morning batch will be from 10 o'clock to 1 o'clock. And then you will have an evening batch from 7 o'clock to 10 o'clock every day, 3 hours, Monday to Friday. And we will cover everything included in the syllabus, everything important in the syllabus. And then we'll go ahead and make you practice as much as possible. The more you practice, the sharper you get. And that is what CSIR is all about. And let me tell you, the most scoring part of your exam is part C. So why the hell you are wasting your time on YouTube? Go ahead, enroll in Biotechnica's Lakshya batch, which is starting from 10th of January. Now this batch will be for 6 months as well as 1 year. You can choose any one of the package. But my advice to you is, if you want a sure shot qualification in CSIR this year in 2025, if you want to make it large, then you must enroll for the 12 months batch, because that is where you'll get a lot of time to interact, a lot of time to practice, a lot of time to get your doubts clarified. So what are you waiting for? Join the best, leave the rest, and we will ensure that you qualify CSIR this June or this December, definitely. All the best.